Assalamualaikum and a very good day to our lecturer and fellow classmates. We are from S1G2 and we will be presenting our mini project for System Analysis and Design course. Our project is titled Homestay Reservation System. This project focuses on developing a web-based reservation system that simplifies the booking process for guests while helping homestay owners managing reservations, payments, and reports more efficiently. Throughout this presentation, we will be explain the background of the project, the problem faced by existing system, our proposed solution, system analysis design, and the expected outcomes. Before we begin, let me introduce our team members. We are a group of 5 students, which is we have Muhammad Hanif Ashraf bin Muhammad Din, Elisa Elia Natasha binti Kamaruzaman, Nur Syafia binti Ahmad Sabri, Nur Anissa binti Koordinat, and Lee Yu Yan. Each member contributed to different parts of this project, including system analysis, documentation, diagram design, database design, and presentation preparation. Now, let's move on to the project background and problem statement. First, let me explain the background of our project. In Malaysia, especially in popular tourist destinations such as Malacca, the demand for affordable homestay has increased significantly due to the growth of the tourism industry. However, many small homestay businesses still manage their bookings usually using WhatsApp, phone calls, and handwritten records. This manual approach makes reservation management inefficient and increases the possibility of error. Therefore, our proposed solution is to develop a web-based homestay reservation system that allows guests to search for available rooms, make reservations online, complete payments, and receive booking confirmations more conveniently. Now, let's look at the main problem faced by the current manual system. The first problem is manual tracking and double bookings. Since reservations are managed through WhatsApp and phone calls without a centralized system, booking conflicts often occur. The second problem is delay guest communication. Guests cannot check room availability in real time and must wait for the owner to reply manually, which may cause them to book elsewhere. The final problem is inefficient payment verification and reporting. Owners need to verify payment screenshot manually and prepare reports from chat histories, making the process time-consuming and prone to make mistakes. This challenge highlights the need for a more efficient and automated reservation system. Based on the problems identified, we established 5 main objectives for our project. The first objective is to develop a room search and availability module that allows guests to check room availability and pricing in real time without contacting the owner manually. Second objective is to create a booking management module that processes reservation requests automatically and helps prevent double bookings. The third objective is to implement a secure payment processing module that generates digital payment receipts after successful transactions. The fourth objective is to develop an automated notification system that sends booking confirmations, payment receipts, and reminder emails to guests. Finally, the fifth objective is to provide an owner dashboard and reporting module, enabling homestay owners to monitor reservations, occupancy rates, and generate monthly revenue reports easily. By achieving these objectives, the system will improve efficiency, reduce manual work, and provide a better experience for both guests and homestay owners. Next, we will continue with the project scope.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hanif Ashraf, and now we are looking at our project scope. For our in-scope deliveries is included with the guest portal and a real-time availability calendar. And for the payment, we also have online payment module integrating with FPS and credit card. And with the payment, we also produce an automated email. And for the owner, we have owner dashboard with the reporting features. And for our out-scope boundaries, this project will not include the integration with platforms like Airbnb or Booking.com. We are also not developing a native mobile app. Instead, it will be a mobile responsive website or multi-property support and inventory management are also excluded. and this system is tailored for a single operator. For this project, we choose the waterfall model as our system development methodology. We select this sequential approach because of our project requirements were clearly defined during our JAD session and we are unlikely to change. So the waterfall models produce well-defined delivery at each phase. First, requirement analysis, and then system design, implementation, testing, and maintenance. This is perfect for managing our academic deadlines and provide a strong traceability for our system diagram. And this brings us to work breakdown structure and Gantt chart. Our project spans a total of 10 weeks and organized into 12 core sequential activity. As shown on the chart, we began with the project charter and JAD session. The bulk of our time in the middle week was dedicated to a system design phase, creating the context diagram, the level 0, level 1, the ERD, and user interface before our compiling for our final report in week 10. So next I will invite my next teammate to go through our first part of our system modeling.
This contact diagram shows the homestay reservation system as a single process interacting with 5 external entities: the guest, homestay owner, admin, payment gateway, and email server. It provides a high-level overview of how information flows between users and the system. This is the level 0 data flow diagram. It expands the system into 5 main processes: room management, booking management, payment processing, notification management, and report management. This diagram helps us understand how data moves through the major function of the system.
Hi, my name is Elisa Elian Tasha binti Kamur Zaman. I will explain about data flow diagram level 1 and ERD. To understand exactly how our system handles data behind the scene, at our data flow diagram level 1 for booking management, when a guest requests a reservation, process 2.1 first validate the dates again our room data store to check for availability. Once confirmed clear, process 2.2 create a temporary pending booking record. Next, 2.3 safely rotate the billing detail through the external payment gateway. Once a successful transaction status return, process 2.4 immediately update the status to confirm and pass the data forward to trigger the notification engine. This ensures that every booking step is completely tracked and verified. So move to entity relationship diagram. Next, to support all data movement we just saw in DFT, sitting at the center of our architecture, the booking entity, which hold a one-to-one many relationship with both payment records and notification logs. Our user entity manage role and access permission, whether an account belongs to a guest or a homestay owner. A single owner can list multiple room and each room maps out specified block dates within the availability entity to prevent double booking. And finally, guests can submit a review then directly back to their specific booking ID and room ID to maintain the data integrity. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Liya and today I'll be presenting the input design and output design of our homestay reservation system. First, I will explain the input design, which is the room booking form. This is the main screen where the guests enter their booking information to make a reservation. The guests are required to fill in the check-in date, check-out date, number of guests, full name, email address, and their phone number also. There is also a special request section where the guests can include additional requests such as early check-in or extra pillows. On the right side of the form, the system displays a booking summary including the selected room, room photo, price per night, number of nights, and also the total booking price. This allows the guests to review their booking before submit it. To improve usability, the system validates the user input. Required field must be completed before the Book Now button can be used. It helps to reduce error and incomplete booking. Next is the output design, which is the booking confirmation receipt. After the guest successfully complete the payment, the system will automatically generate his receipt as a confirmation of booking. The receipt includes important information such as a booking reference number, guest detail, room details, check-in and check-out date, number of guests, and the total amount paid. It also shows the payment method, payment status, and transaction ID, which serve as a proof of a successful payment. At the bottom of the receipt, the guest can either download the receipt as a PDF or return to the homepage. This allows the guest to keep a copy of the reservation for future reference. So in conclusion, the input design provides a simple and user-friendly booking experience, while the output design provides guests with a clear and complete booking confirmation after payment. So that's all from us. Thank you.